Lesson: Aligning governance policies with organizational goals. Aligning governance policies with organizational goals is critical for achieving strategic objectives, particularly in the context of blockchain governance and compliance. Governance policies serve as the frameworks that guide decision-making processes, ensuring that all stakeholders operate under a shared understanding of expectations and responsibilities. The alignment of these policies with organizational goals not only enhances efficiency and accountability, but also fosters a culture of compliance and innovation. The first step in aligning governance policies with organizational goals is to clearly define those goals. This involves a thorough understanding of the organization's mission, vision, and strategic objectives. A clear articulation of these goals serves as the foundation upon which governance policies are built. For instance, a blockchain company aiming to enhance data transparency as a core objective must develop governance policies that prioritize transparency in data sharing and operations. This alignment ensures that every policy supports the overarching aim of transparency, thereby driving the organization towards its strategic vision. One practical tool for aligning governance policies is the Balanced Scorecard framework, which links governance initiatives to specific organizational goals through measurable performance indicators. By utilizing this framework, organizations can translate abstract goals into concrete actions, ensuring that every department and individual aligns their efforts towards achieving these goals. For example, a blockchain enterprise might set a key performance indicator for reducing transaction times as part of its customer service goals. The governance policy would then stipulate necessary procedures and technologies to achieve this KPI, ensuring that every team member understands their role in this objective. Another essential aspect of aligning governance policies is stakeholder engagement. Including stakeholders in the policy development process ensures that diverse perspectives are considered, fostering a sense of ownership and accountability. This approach is particularly relevant in decentralized blockchain environments, where stakeholder participation is crucial for legitimacy and trust. Engaging stakeholders through regular consultations, surveys, and feedback mechanisms allows organizations to align their governance policies with stakeholder expectations and organizational goals simultaneously. A case study from the Ethereum network illustrates this process, where the Ethereum Improvement Proposal System allows stakeholders to propose and debate changes to the network's governance structure, ensuring broad consensus and alignment with the network's goals. The integration of technology in governance policy implementation is another critical factor. Blockchain technology itself offers innovative solutions for policy enforcement and compliance monitoring. Smart contracts, for instance, can automate compliance processes, ensuring that policies are adhered to without manual intervention. By programming governance rules into smart contracts, organizations can align operational processes with governance policies seamlessly. A practical example can be seen in supply chain management, where smart contracts automatically verify and record transactions, ensuring compliance with predefined governance standards. This not only reduces the risk of human error, but also enhances the transparency and reliability of compliance activities. Furthermore, organizations must continually evaluate and adapt their governance policies to remain aligned with evolving goals and external environments. This requires a robust monitoring and evaluation framework that assesses the effectiveness of governance policies in real time. Techniques such as regular audits, performance reviews, and impact assessments provide actionable insights into policy efficacy and areas for improvement. For instance, a blockchain company might conduct quarterly audits to ensure compliance with industry regulations and internal standards. These audits can reveal discrepancies or inefficiencies, prompting timely revisions to governance policies and ensuring continuous alignment with organizational goals. In addition to internal evaluations, benchmarking against industry standards and best practices can provide valuable insights into effective governance strategies. The Open Compliance and Ethics Group provides a useful framework for governance, risk, and compliance that organizations can adopt to align their policies with industry norms. By comparing their governance practices with those of leading organizations, companies can identify gaps and opportunities for improvement. For example, a blockchain firm might benchmark its data protection policies against those of industry leaders, identifying areas where it can enhance its data security measures to better align with its goal of ensuring customer trust. Another crucial component of aligning governance policies with organizational goals is fostering a culture of ethical behavior and compliance within the organization. This involves embedding ethical considerations into every aspect of the governance framework, from policy development to implementation and monitoring. Training and development programs play a vital role in this process, equipping employees with the knowledge and skills needed to adhere to governance policies and uphold organizational values. A study by Weaver, Trevino, and Cochrane emphasizes the importance of integrating ethics into organizational culture, highlighting how comprehensive ethics programs can enhance employee commitment to compliance and strategic objectives. Real-world challenges in aligning governance policies with organizational goals often arise from resistance to change or misalignment between policy and practice. To overcome these challenges, organizations can employ change management strategies that facilitate smooth transitions and foster acceptance among stakeholders. Lewin's change management model, which involves unfreezing existing practices, implementing changes, and refreezing new practices, provides a structured approach to managing organizational change. By applying this model, organizations can systematically align their governance policies with evolving goals, ensuring that changes are sustainable and well received by all stakeholders. In conclusion, aligning governance policies with organizational goals is a multifaceted process that requires strategic planning, stakeholder engagement, technological integration, continuous evaluation, and ethical culture building. By employing practical tools and frameworks such as the balanced scorecard, smart contracts, and change management models, organizations can effectively align their governance policies with strategic objectives, enhancing compliance and driving business success. Through ongoing evaluation and adaptation, organizations can ensure that their governance frameworks remain relevant and responsive to changing goals and external environments, ultimately fostering a culture of innovation, accountability, and excellence.